Hey, what's going on? Mr. Gorb here, and today is time for another math short. But what should be our topic? Let me just think about this a little bit. Oh, all right. Well, let's talk about equivalent fractions. Okay, like I said, what we're going to do is talk about equivalent fractions today, but what we're going to do instead is start off with a little bit of magic. All right. Okay, so I want you to pick a card, any card. Go ahead, pick one. Oh, you picked this one? All right. Okay, you remember that card? You remember that card? Okay, ready? Oh, is this your card? Boom, magic. Okay, now the magic's over, let's talk about a little bit of math. We're just going to use our cards to sort of illustrate how we can pick fractions, and so you know it's not rigged. I just shuffled the deck and everything, so it's all good to go. We'll mess it up a little bit, but you realized if you followed along that really didn't do anything, which is fine. Okay, what we're going to do is talk about equivalent fractions, what we can do with them, and let's first start out with looking at the actual word. So the actual word equivalent, right? Equivalent really means equal, right? So equal. So we're going to have equal fractions. And remember, just a fraction is just a numerator over a denominator. Okay, so a numerator over denominator, we have 2 or 3 or 4 multiple fractions that are all equivalent, meaning that when we simplify, or reduce our fractions, we are going to have everything that's equal to itself. So numerators are going to be the same, denominators are going to be the same after we simplify or reduce the fraction. So let's talk about an example here. So using our handy dandy cards here, I'm going to pick out 2 cards. So I have a 2 and I have a 5. All right, we're going to use those as our first fraction. So let's go ahead and uncap. Boom. Okay, so down here we're going to make a fraction. Let's make this 2 over 5. All right, so I want to create an equivalent fraction to 2/5. Now, when we reduce or simplify a fraction, we are going to be dividing out a common factor between the two of them. Now, in this case, 2/5 is already reduced, so we can't reduce it anymore. We can't simplify it. So what we're going to do is we're going to unreduce, or we're going to create an equivalent fraction. So we want another fraction that's equivalent to 2/5. So when we reduce that new fraction, it's going to simplify down to the fraction of 2/5. So what we can do is actually just uncap, multiply the top and the bottom by the same multiple. That way we know that we're going to take out the same factor then. So 2 times, let's just do an easy one, let's do 2, and 5 times 2. Whatever you do to the top, you have to do to the bottom to make sure that it is indeed equivalent. So 2 times 2 is equal to 4 over 5 times 2, which is equal to 10. Okay, now thinking about this 4/10, what can I take out from both the top and the bottom? Yes, I can take out a 2, right? So I divide out a 2, and right now I'm actually showing you the process of reducing a fraction as well. So we're reducing this by taking out a common factor from both of these. And this is going to be equal to, again, 2 over 5. So, like I said, once you simplify reduce, you're going to get 2 equivalent reduced fractions, or 2 equal fractions. They should be exactly the same when we reduce them down to their simplest form. So we have 2 over 5, 4/10 is equal to, when we simplify, 2/5. So these are all equivalent fractions. Obviously, these two are the same. And this has been Mr. Corb with another math short. Today what we talked about was equivalent fractions, and hopefully again this has been helpful for you. Tune in next time for who knows what. So, peace.